Plot yerr/xerr shaded region rather than error bars. In matplotlib, how do I plot error as a shaded region rather than error bars? For example, rather than
Ignoring the smooth interpolation between points in your example graph, that would require doing some manual interpolation, or just have a higher resolution of your data, you can use matplotlib.fill_between. See also the matplotlib examples.
This is basically the same answer provided by Ivet, but extended to show off some cool options of fill_between.
이 글 요한테 75, 플리즈 컨시더 서브스크라이빙.